Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Cahen and I am Chief Product Officer at Brevo. Businesses have all the data they need to create a highly personalized customer journey, but the data is distributed across different systems and difficult to regroup and unify, so only a small part of it is actually used in campaigns. Businesses need better solutions to efficiently convert data into actionable insights to influence and improve customer journey. That's why we are bringing something new to the table, the Brevo Customer Data Platform. It can be integrated quickly to centralize, clean, and normalize customer data from multiple sources. For example, data warehouses, websites, and customer engagement tools. It then organizes this data, aggregating information from multiple touchpoints to create a single customer view. It enables highly personalized content and allows you to build engagement strategies for each customer based on their behavior, loyalty status, and RFM group, so every marketing message will hit the mark. It comes with customer analytics that empower you to create data-driven marketing strategies. With these customer insights at your fingertips, your teams can deepen engagement and deliver more tailored experiences across multiple channels. Picture a marketing team equipped with rich and insightful data that informs every campaign and message. Envision a sales department able to predict and meet customer needs more efficiently. And imagine a customer service experience so personalized that the satisfaction rate skyrockets. The new Brevo CDP helps you navigate and activate your data to meet customer needs with more precision than ever.